Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add progress tracking in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Wrike, you just want to go here and click plus here on add column, and then you're going to see here progress, right? And I know why it's working, but oh, here it is. And now you can simply add like how much it's going to take by just adding the start date. Let's go with 4. Let's go 25, and you can see the duration is going to be 16 days. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.